Okay, what we're doing today, we're gonna explain how to use Alkanet root powder. It's from Pakistan, but you can get this beautiful purple. So if your soap requires a lavender color or purple color, this is your brand. This is your man. Yeah, this is your Colourant. Alkanet root powder, Alkanet tinctoria. That's the botanical name. So if you're into natural coloring and you want purple, lavender, this is the ingredient for you. I'll show you the soap that I made before earlier with a swirl, and yeah, I'll show it now. Hopefully the color, this can pick it up. But when I first started, okay, this soap here is bluish, very blue or grayish. Now when it starts to cool, right, it's turned to purple, a very delightful lavender purple, okay, lilac. Okay, so if you require this kind of look in your soap, I suggest you use Alkanet root powder. It's a process of how to make this, okay? So I'll show you now. This is what I had left over from the previous batch that I made with this one. Now see that, right? That's the color. Okay, it's reddish, okay? But you only use the top, okay? I'm going to do another batch right now. So I'll show you how I do it. Okay, so let me close this. So basically you want two tablespoons of this powder. Very expensive ingredient, okay guys? So if you want a purple, this is your man, okay? This is your ingredient to try. So, but I warn you, it's not a cheap ingredient to use. But it's worth it, you know? Look at the color that come out, right? I got this for 100 grams for $16. But a lot go a long way, okay? So that's a lot. Now, close the lid straight away. Depends on what kind of oil you want to infuse it in. Most people infuse it in olive oil, but nowadays olive oil is very expensive. So nowadays I infuse it in rice bran oil. So this rice bran oil, I'm going to infuse 100 ml into this. Anything will do actually, but yeah, you want a light color or dark color, doesn't matter. But I'll use 100 gram. Let me weight it out. Tie it up. I'm gonna put in 100 gram in here and let it sit, okay? Basically, you're gonna let it sit in the sun. Let time, okay? There's two ways you can infuse it, time or heat, okay? If you're short of time, you use heat method to infuse this. But if you have time, use the sun, okay? Leave it for 1 month, 2 months, 1 year even. But this is how you do it, okay? So you... doesn't matter. Okay, close the lid, shake it well, and that is your infusion. And you can use time or you can use heat. I will use heat, okay, for this method. I've got a crock pot right here to my left. I'll show you guys later. But I'll use this in a crock pot for 2 hours, then I'll leave it out. Okay, so I'll use heat. So that's how you use Alkanet root powder. Very expensive ingredient, but it's worth it. Worth it, okay? So you want this kind of color, purple, lilac color, Alkanet root powder, okay? Just when you use it, just pour out the top only. If you want just the color only. But if you want some speckles, it's scratchy, okay? I use it, and it's scratchy. And you can do that as well, if you want some speckle in your soap. But I warn you, it's scratchy, okay? So don't use it if you don't want the scratchiness. My name is Travis Chow. Thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and check out my playlist as well. I have a ton of great info there for you to check it out, okay? I'll see you next time with another video. Bye.